Hi guys, I hope you are doing well. On this video, I'll be sharing with you a very quick recipe how to make yummy and fluffy pilau at home. It is so easy to make, you're not even going to believe it. I hope you like this video, so let's get started. And I start off by boiling my half kg of beef, and once it's soft I just scoop the beef and set it aside. And as for the broth, we are also going to use it, so set it aside. And if you like goat meat, that is mutton, you can just go ahead and use it. You're going to get the best results as well, as long as you follow this recipe. And in that same sufuria is where you're going to add cooking oil, and to that add lots of onions. Guys, pilau comes out perfectly when you use a lot of onions. So I used 3 large onions. If you can use more, if you're making a large batch, even better. So you're going to give this a very good stir, and the point is to cook this until it is brown. And remember, at this point we have not yet added garlic, and this is the point where you add garlic once the onions turns golden brown. And guys, when the onions turn golden brown, please turn the flame to low, otherwise you're going to burn the onions. So you're just going to stir until the garlic cooks. And just a small tip here, add a little amount of water to ensure that the garlic cooks and that the onions do not burn. And the green paste that I just added is garlic and dhania, that is coriander. I just love the taste that they bring to my pilau. If you do not like it, please do not add it. And I'm just stirring here. You can see I added a small amount of water just to ensure that the onions cook. Guys, if you want the best pilau, always make sure that the base is cooked, that is the onions and the garlic. Ensure that they are very well cooked and that they are golden brown and they are not burnt. Guys, do not burn the onions, like do not make them black. Just keep stirring, adding small amounts of water until the onions are ready. Then go ahead and add 1 tablespoon of pilau masala. And you can use the whole spices, the ones that have not been ground if you like. I just prefer to use pilau masala from the supermarket as is. So add back the beef and then stir. Guys, stir just to ensure that the beef and the onions and the pilau masala, they come together nicely. Remember to add seasoning, that is salt. And here I was just adding the potatoes. I just love my potatoes with my pilau with potatoes. If you do not like the potatoes, please do not add them. So you're just going to cover these and allow the mixture to cook for like a minute or two before uncovering, like you see here. And be sure to taste for the salt. And like you can see, my rice is already washed at this point. The mixture was looking very good. So I find that basmati rice gives the best results when it comes to pilau, so that is what I used even for this recipe. But use whatever rice you've got at hand, guys. These are just home cooked meals, you do not have to complicate them. If you cannot afford the basmati, please use whatever you've got at hand. Now I used 2 cups of rice and I added 3.5 cups of water plus the broth, and I did not add 4 cups. I used 3.5, and then give that a good stir and covered it and allow the pilau to cook on low flame. Low flame, guys. My pilau comes perfectly whenever I cook it on low flame. And just look at that beauty, guys. Like you can see, the potatoes are fully cooked, guys. The rice is so fluffy, it doesn't break. Let me just zoom in so you can have a look. Just look at that, guys. The rice is so fluffy. The pilau looks perfect, guys. And on the side I have prepared some kachumbari to serve with this. Just look at that, guys. Don't you just love this? I love pilau so much, and this one I always make it just as a comfort food, and it always comes out perfectly, guys. So here is my recipe. So I served mine with kachumbari. If you've got a banana, you can add it in there. And if you have pilipili ya kukaanga, it is also going to be perfect if you add it. And guys, look at that. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.